Read me.
Learn from your own and others' mistakes. Learning from one's own and others' mistakes is an important aspect of personal and professional growth. Making mistakes is a natural part of life, and it is through these mistakes that people learn valuable lessons. By acknowledging and analyzing their own mistakes, individuals can identify areas for improvement and take steps to avoid repeating those mistakes in the future. Similarly, learning from others' mistakes can be equally valuable. It allows individuals to gain insights into potential pitfalls and avoid making the same mistakes themselves. It can also help people to develop empathy and understanding towards others who have made mistakes, rather than being quick to judge or criticize. In conclusion, learning from mistakes, whether one's own or others, is an essential part of personal and professional development. By reflecting on past experiences, individuals can gain valuable insights and make better choices in the future.
Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.